Fiscal fears fuel flight to Bitcoin. Gold as major currencies falter. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, gold. The so-called debasement trade has gained traction amid rising national debts and political instability, prompting a broad retreat from fiat assets. Crypto journalist Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile, share, copied, last updated 3 hours ago. Mounting fiscal uncertainty in major economies is accelerating a shift into Bitcoin, gold, and silver, as investors brace for further currency debasement. Key takeaways. Investors are moving into Bitcoin, gold, and silver as fears of currency debasement rise in major economies. Japan's yen dropped 1.6% after pro-stimulus politician Sanae Takaichi led the PM race, adding pressure to global fiat currencies. Bitcoin's surge past $125,000 and gold's fresh highs reflect growing demand for hard assets. The so-called debasement trade has gained traction amid rising national debts and political instability, prompting a broad retreat from fiat assets. According to a Monday report by Bloomberg, yen sinks 1.6% as pro-stimulus candidate Takaichi leads Japan PM race. In Japan, the yen dropped 1.6% on Monday after pro-stimulus lawmaker Sanae Takaichi emerged as the frontrunner to become the country's next prime minister. Her expected policies dim hopes for near-term monetary tightening, sending the currency to record lows against both Bitcoin and gold. Meanwhile, the dollar continues to weaken under the weight of a prolonged U.S. government shutdown and debt concerns, losing roughly 30% of its value against Bitcoin since the start of the year. Europe offers little reassurance. The euro slipped 0.1% against the dollar as fresh political tension in France clouded the outlook. The region's high debt burden and fragmented policy responses have further fueled investor unease. As traditional currencies falter, Bitcoin is hovering near its latest all-time high above $125,000, while gold touched fresh records and silver edged closer to its peak. Chris Weston, head of research at Pepperstone Group, described the surge in demand for these assets as a classic momentum trade, amplified by political chaos and inflation risks. "You've got to be in it," he said. J.P. Morgan analysts echoed that sentiment in a research note dated October 3, pointing to Washington's dysfunction and the dollar's familiar pattern of losing ground to alternative reserves. They likened the current flight to gold and Bitcoin to investor behavior during the 2008 financial crisis and years of aggressive monetary stimulus. Despite a minor rebound in the Bloomberg Dollar Spot Index on Monday, the greenback remains down about 8% for the year. With global markets gripped by uncertainty, Bitcoin and gold are increasingly seen not just as speculative plays, but as defensive havens against fiscal mismanagement and fiat erosion. Bitcoin surges to new all-time high above $125,000. As reported, Bitcoin surged to a new all-time high above $125,700 on Sunday morning, breaking past its previous record of $124,500 set in August, according to data from CoinMarketCap. The milestone came as centralized exchanges report the lowest levels of Bitcoin reserves in 6 years, signaling a tightening supply backdrop amid growing investor demand. The sharp recovery marks a strong start to October, often dubbed Uptober by traders, after Bitcoin slipped to $107,800 in early September. Over the past week, the asset has climbed steadily, buoyed by renewed optimism and tightening exchange liquidity. Notably, Bitcoin's surge past $124,000 has driven Strategy Incorporated (SBTC) holdings to a record $77.4 billion, the company revealed Friday. The firm, which began accumulating BTC in 2020 as a corporate treasury asset, has seen its holdings grow exponentially from an initial valuation of $2.1 billion to over 35 times that amount in just 5 years. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. XRP price prediction. Swift partners with Ethereum firm. Is Ripple losing the payments race it started? XRP price prediction. World's largest exchange moves to 24/7 trading for crypto? Is this the start of full Wall Street adoption? New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Solana, and Pi coin by the end of 2025. Solana price prediction. World's largest derivatives exchange ICE SOL, $1,000 SOL is just the start. Bitcoin price prediction. After ADH, only $128,000 stands between BTC and an exponential rise to $160,000. Price analysis. Perplexity AI predicts explosive gains for XRP, Cardano and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. 4 days ago, by Tim Hackey. Bitcoin News. Live Bitcoin price updates. BTC price explodes to new ADH above $125,000. Is $150,000 next? 1 day ago, by Ristina Yordanova. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. $3.12 breakout or new decline. What's next? 17 hours ago, by Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 5 days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 2 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 2 days ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 4 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 4 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 4 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 2 hours ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 2 days ago, by Ben Beto.